What's the meaning of Chadian? Chadian. Chadian.
Chadian. Chadian. The term Chadian commonly refers to anything or anyone relating to the Central African country of Chad. Chad is located in north-central Africa and is bordered by Libya to the north, Sudan to the east, the Central African Republic to the south, Cameroon and Nigeria to the southwest, and Niger to the west. It has a diverse ethnic composition with over 200 different ethnic groups speaking more than 100 languages. The largest ethnic groups include the Sera, Arab, and Kanembu. Chad's official languages are French and Standard Arabic, while the majority of its population speaks Chadian Arabic.